Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD sheet metal tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to add a flanges with the offset. In this model you can see that I have created two flanges which are having the offset distance from the edge. So we will not only create the flange but we will also define the offset. So I will close this file and create a new file. And for the tutorial I am using the FreeCAD version 1.1, so you must have at least 1.1 or higher version than this. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can visit this tab for FreeCAD tutorial and this one for the FreeCAD articles. Apart from FreeCAD, I write the journal Mechanical Engineering topic, which you can read in your own language. You can also visit my 3D model library, which I have created for FreeCAD part. It is free to use. All you have to go to my home page and click on this FreeCAD 3D models. You can also visit my 2D drawing library. On my home page you will see here the tab 2D drawings. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the 2D drawings. If you like my method of teaching, you can also support me on ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channel to grow. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file and I need a body, so I will go to the part design and add a body and create a sketch. Select this top plane, select a rectangle tool and create a rectangle. Use symmetricity constraint, select this point and this one. Select the dimension option, define the vertical height 60 and horizontal length is of 35. Click on close, and now we will switch to the sheet metal workbench. Select the sketch and click on the make base wall, say OK. Now switch to the isometric, select the edge, click on the flange, and here bending radius is 2, and we will give the gap 15 mm from the one side and 15 mm from the other side. So you can see that offset is created. Same way we will do it on the other side. Select the edge and go to the offset, give it 15 from one side and 15 from the other side. Now interesting thing is that this gap which we are giving, it can be odd, so we will go to our first flange and you can edit this offset anytime. For example, B side I want only 5 mm, say OK, and let's go from the other side, go to the offset, let's say gap 0.5 mm, let's make it a 5 on the both the side. So this is how you can define the offset from the flange option itself. You will find the offset option here. So this is all about this tutorial, how to add flanges with a offset in a sheet metal workbench. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.